Good morning. Today I'm just going to show you really quickly how with our new quick cooker you can make the most amazing, easy to peel, hard-boiled eggs in a matter of minutes. So I have started with, I've got the wire rack in the bottom of the quick cooker and I have 6 eggs in there, and then I'm going to pour a cup of water in and I'm going to put the lid on. I love the noises it makes. It's fun. And so then I'm going to look at my recipe and it tells me lock the lid, and I'm going to select the custom setting and adjust the time to 12 minutes and press start. So custom setting is this button here. So I'm going to press that and I'm going to turn the timer down. Oops. Yeah. Well, maybe I go down. Bear with me. I'm still learning this thing. Okay, so 12 minutes and press start. So my start button is there. Okay, so that's going. So a couple things I wanted to tell you about our quick cooker while the eggs are going is some of the safety features. So as you can see, this is the front. Okay, this is your steam release. Here is your one of the steam release valves, and then this is your full steam release valve. So one of the things that people have always said about pressure cookers is they worry about like the steam coming up in their face. This Pampered Chef has really worked to make this just as the safest product ever. And so what they do is they made it so that the steam release button and the valve are far away from your face. So the button to push is right by you and the steam release valves are away from your face. The other thing that they did with this new piece of equipment is this does not get hot. Okay, I can touch anywhere on here and this will not get hot. Now, as the steam comes up, of course, you're going to start feeling some steam there, and you might see a little bit there, but you shouldn't see coming anything around the edges here. The other thing that's really great about the pressure cooker, the quick cooker that we have, is that things are already pre-programmed for you. So although the eggs, it's a timer thing, if you wanted to make, let me just show you, so hopefully you can see. If you wanted to make like chicken, beef, fish, soup, desserts, we have a way to make cheesecakes and pudding, stew, chili beans, and then over here you have your white rice, brown rice, whole grains. You can steam, slow cook, proof, and sear. So there's a lot of different settings that are already programmed into your cooker. So, and the recipes will tell you exactly what to do. So if I wanted to make this simple salsa chicken recipe that it shows me right here below the eggs, I mean, it just tells me season my chicken. I'm gonna put with the seasoning, and then I'm gonna put it in the inner pot and cover it with some salsa, and then it says lock the lid, and I'm gonna turn the knob until it gets to the chicken and poultry setting. Press start and it will cook it for me. It's not gonna, I don't have to figure out the timing. It's gonna tell me, and then when it goes off, I'm gonna follow the directions to release the steam and then open it up, and I'm gonna have perfect chicken. So you can do this with a roast. You could do more than one thing in there at a time because there's a ceramic pot that you can get with it. So if you wanted to, like my director, she will go in and she'll do the chicken, and at the same time that the chicken's cooking, she's going to make her rice in the ceramic pot, which will sit in inside the quick cooker. So you make your quick cooker, your chicken, and the rice and everything that you want with it. For say you're just doing lettuce wraps, I mean, you can have that ready in 20 minutes. So easy. All right, so I'm not gonna make you stay on here and watch this for another 9 minutes, but I'm gonna pause this and I'll be back when the eggs are done. Let's do this. Okay, so I wanted to just show you really quickly how the pressure valve has come up now. I don't know if you can see any steam, but you can see that it's popped up now. All right, this is kind of loose there, but it will come down when it's fully pressurized. So you will not be able to open up the lid as long as this valve is up, okay? So that is another safety feature that they have with the quick cooker. Okay, and then I wanted to just show you too one of the accessories. I don't have the cheesecake springform pan, but that'll be on my list. It'll be the next thing to do. But I do have the ceramic pot. So this thing is really nice. It cleans up really easily. I made bread in it last week. I think I still have some bread. So I have some bread that I made from last week in here. And basically what you do with the bread setting is you're proofing it so that, you know how when you make fresh homemade bread, you have to let it sit and rise for hours. This takes that time out, so you don't have to do it for hours. You can, I think it's like 40 minutes or something, and then you bake it. So in under 2 hours, you can have a fresh bread, and it's awesome. When you get your quick cooker, it does come with the quick cooker guide and several recipes. So it's so easy to find something to cook. It has side dishes in here, so different recipes. It tells you how long it's going to take you. One thing, so we had a meeting last week or this week, and they were talking about your total cook time. So with some of these recipes, it'll say your total time might be 30 minutes. But it still has to warm up. So kind of keep that in mind. That's pretty universal with all of the pressure cookers and Instapots and things like that. So, so if you have an Instapot and you use it and you love it, or you don't use it, or you have, just comment below and let me know, like, what is it that you like about the Instant Pot, or if you have another pressure cooker brand or something like that. Just so, you know, just to kind of get things going, because I'm always kind of been the same and a little nervous about pressure cookers. I even have one of those old fancy, you know, pots, and it just makes me so nervous. But I really have enjoyed using this. I made ribs in it one night. Oh my gosh, less than an hour. I had fall off the bone ribs, and it's just amazing. So I'm going to come back when my eggs are done. I have about 4 minutes left, and then I'll kind of show you how to depressurize it and release the steam, and then I'm going to show you how easy it is to peel these eggs, because it is super amazing. Okay, so we're back. There's just a minute left on the timer. So I want to show you what you're gonna see here. Now it's beeping. Okay. Let's see. So when the timer's up, press cancel. This is your cancel button. Okay. And then it says press the steam release button to manually release the pressure. So I want to just show you so you can see that well. So remember, the button is here. And there we go. Steam is released. And as you can see, that's far enough away from my face. Like, I don't have to, it's still scary, but it's not, I don't have to worry about it being in my face. So once all the steam is released, then your red button goes down, and then it's safe for you to open the lid. Okay, so I'm going to open the lid. Take that off. You can see. I'll probably synced up the camera. So I'm going to take these out. And one thing, so Dana, he's kind of my hard-boiled egg guru, and he's probably spent the last 2 years perfecting his hard-boiled eggs, so I've really thrown him for a loop with this. But it makes a difference. Afterwards, you're just going to put it in the ice bath, and then you will have the easiest peel eggs ever. So I'll come back after these have been sitting in the ice bath and show you how to do that. Okay, I'm back and I'm going to show you one of my eggs. I'm taking it out of the ice bath. And look at that. Perfect. Not saying you should buy the quick cooker just so you can make perfect hard-boiled eggs. I'm just saying it's a bonus if you get the rice cooker. The rice cooker this month, you could get it for 60% off, which means instead of the $240 price, you could get it for $96. If you did all the accessories, 60% off the bundle, it's $114. Totally worth it to make perfect hard-boiled eggs. Have a great day.